The Guardian newspaper, which is reputed as the flagship of the press in Nigeria. I'm here to give the event coverage, but beyond the call of this, I'm also here to know as much as I can about corporate social responsibility. What was at the back of my mind coming here is to find out how Africa, especially Nigeria, has fared in the area of CSR, and also have an update on what it is globally, especially with the focus on Africa. And even since day one, even before today, I must tell you that I've gotten that objective met because of the various presentations that have been made here. I've learned a lot, and now I can talk, with full confidence on what CSR is about and what Nigeria's role and Africa's role is in it so far. Next year conference should be a follow-up to what we've done today. There are so many issues that are on now. One is the African Alliance, for instance, collaboration, stakeholders, discussion on the whatever. So I think for next year, the focus should be on how to institutionalize CSR so that we know who are the stakeholders, we know who the companies that are supposed to play what role, and what companies actually expect from companies. So I think that should be the follow-up for next year. Institutionalizing CSR in Nigeria. We have CSR International, let's have CSR Nigeria. There will be a link between the community, the stakeholders, and CSR as a concept itself.
Yeah, my name is Debo Adeshina. I'm the editor and deputy editor-in-chief of